What or how do you explain when someone thinks design is just adding red here, blue here, one line here, another thing here? Who thinks it's easy? Let's look at this from the business perspective now. We have a lot of clients who would come to you and be like, "Oh, I want you to design this for me." You give them your quotes and you hear, it's not just to put box here and another box here. It's not like it's the full product. People who trivialize UI UX.
For me, UI UX is beyond just putting colors and shapes together. It's beyond that. Like I said earlier, it's about solving problem. We get what the user, like the challenge the user is facing, and we solve it through the digital products. That's what we do. It's beyond just adding color, mixing colors together. We are making key decisions here. We are solving somebody's problem. It takes a lot. The way I see we UI UX designer or product designer is we are like a superhero because we are solving people's problem. We solve problem. And to solve somebody's problem, you need to first understand their problem before you solve their problem. So that's what people don't see. They just say, okay, you guys just take this, add this together. No, it's beyond that. There's a lot of things going on in the background that the client or a business owner does not actually see.
Yeah, I think I agree with you because number one, one of the reasons why I also went into backend is because I'm not very good with colors. Like if I should design anything for me, I would just mix blue, red, purple, black, and everything. Like just put everything together. Thank God for AI tools these days that at least help us out a little bit. But I've never really been a design person from the onset. So, seeing people, actually, I'm envious of people who could do this. Before we had UI UX, we only had front-end developers who could, just merge things together. We have front-end developers who could visualize the design, convert it to code, and boom, we are good to go. I mean, I was always envious of people like that. I cannot mix colors together for the life of me. I don't even know where one box should go. If you give me something like that, maybe I would give you maybe a 1980s page or something, just to showcase what I've never really been good at design.